students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is homophones. The words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings are called homophones. तो बच्चों homophones के बारे में जान लेते हैं. ये ऐसे words होते हैं जो डिफरेंटली इनके स्पेलिंग होती है और साउंड जो होता है इनका एक जैसा होता है, लेकिन इनके मीनिंग और इनकी स्पेलिंग अलग अलग होती है. Given below is a list of some homophones and their meanings with examples. Accept, to receive, accept, to exclude. Example, I accept your invitation. B. All except Shudha were present in the annual function. Affect, to influence, affect, outcome or result. Example, the injury won't affect her performance. B. The song had a calming effect on the child. Adapt, to influence, affect, outcome or result. Example, he should adapt himself to his circumstances. My neighbor have adopted a son. Quotes, rough, coarse, direction. Example, his dress is made of coarse cloth. She has taken a wrong course path. Desert, to abandon. Desert, last course of a meal. Example, the house was deserted long ago. The desert was much better than the meal. Dose, quantity of medicine, dose, light sleep. Example, take 3 doses of medicine daily. Karmu was found dozing in the class. Eminent, distinguished. Imminent, about to happen. Example, he was an eminent doctor. The environment disaster is imminent. Principal, chief, principle, a fundamental truth. Example, the principal applicant has to sign on the form. Falling off an apple from a tree is based on the principle of gravity. Council, assemble, council, advise. Example, his father is a member of the parents' council. I thanked my mother for her sound counsel. Farmer, peasant, farmer, first in position. Example, Indian farmers are very hardworking. Deep and Dhruv are real brothers. The farmer is the younger of the two. Human, relating to man, human, sympathetic. Example, human nature cannot stand such. The human treatment of prisoners is how advocated by all. Hail, frozen rain drop. Hail, healthy. Example, there was hail storm last night. She was hale and hearty till yesterday. Lesson, to reduce, lesson, learning outcome from an experience. Example, she lessened the length of the rope. We learned a lesson from the crisis. Ore, of a bad ore mineral. Example, the ore was brown in color. Jharkhand is rich in iron ore. Peace, apart, peace, a state of calm. Example, give him a piece of bread. All countries of the world need peace, not war. Principle, chief, head, principal, rule of conduct. Example, our principal is a kind and gentle man. He has strict principles in his life. Pore, a very small hole. Pore, to put. Example, there are invisible pores on the surface of a leaf. B. Pour some more milk into the jug. Propose, to make a suggestion. Purpose, objective. Example, the employees proposed some changes in the system. Developing a career should be an important purpose of one's life. Stationery, writing material. Stationery, not moving. Examples, he deals in stationery products. The sun is a stationary object. Vein, useless. Vein, the blood vessel. Example, my efforts were all went in vain. Veins carry the blood back to the heart. Straight, direct, straight, a narrow passage of water between two sea or ocean. Examples, this road leads straight to the highway. Can you locate the park straight on this map? Shoot, thick sediments of smoke collected on any surface. Suit, a set of cloths. Example, suit is used to make shoe polish. He was wearing a nice suit in the party. Fair, light complexion. Fair, money charge for a journey. Example, she is a fair complexioned and looks attractive. What is the one-way fare of Rajasthani Express from New Delhi to Jaipur? Beside, by the side of, besides, in addition to. Example, come and sit beside me. Besides this exam, the other one is also important. Night, title of a hero, night, hours of darkness. Example, the knight fought bravely. It was night when the robbers attacked Mr. Rao's house. तो बच्चों इन एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू हमें पता चला कि होमोफोन्स जो होते हैं वो साउंड में सेम होते हैं, लेकिन उनके जो स्पेलिंग होती है और उनके जो मीनिंग होते हैं वो अलग अलग होते हैं। तो बच्चों आई होप आपको होमोफोन्स का ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।